morning, dear students. Welcome to the class. So, today I will start the next chapter, chapter number 17, Discovery of Fire. In this lesson, we will learn different things about the life of early man. So, children, you know who was early man? Early man means the first man on the earth. Early man means the first man on the earth. So in this lesson we will learn about different things like life of early man, food items or the clothes of early men, weapons used by the early men, houses or the shelter of early men. So this lesson is very important. So everyone please pay attention on this chapter. Okay? Now look at the book. So look at this chapter number 17, Discovery of Fire. In this lesson we will learn about how early man lived, the tools he used, uses of fire for early man. So children, look at this. Look at this. He is early man. Okay. So the early man means the first man on the earth. So this is very important chapter to know about the life of early men. The life of early man was very different from the life we lead. He had to face many difficulties. Early man lived in jungles which were full of wild animals. He lived in caves and on trees. He did not have any weapons to protect himself from these animals. He had no clothes to wear. He used to wear the skin of animals or barks and leaves of trees. He had another difficulty. He did not know how to grow food for himself. He ate fruits and roots of plants when he felt hungry. Sometimes he killed wild animals and ate their flesh raw, but it was not easy to dig roots and kill animals with bare hands. So early man used stones with sharp edges. He used these stones to hunt animals. He also used sharp wooden sticks as tools. Later, he learned to tie sharp stones to a wooden stick. Now he could kill an animal without going near it. These stone tools brought a big change in the life of early man. Okay? Now look at my book. So children, look at this. He is the early man. Look at his beard, a long beard, and no clothes. They covered their body with the skin of animals and the leaves of the big plants or trees. Okay, they don't have any type of house like us. So the life of early man was very different from us. जैसे कि हमारे पास घर हैं, कपड़े हैं पहनने को, उन लोगों के पास ऐसी कोई भी चीज़ें नहीं थे. That's why the life of the early man was very different from the life we lead. He had to face so many difficulties. They lived in jungles which were full of wild animals and they did not have any type of house. That's why they lived in caves and on the trees. He did not have any weapons, means उनके पास कोई भी ऐसे weapons नहीं थे, कोई भी ऐसे tools या हथियार नहीं थे जिससे वो अपने आप को protect कर सकते wild animals से. So they afraid from the wild animals. Okay, that's why the early man afraid from the wild animals. He had no clothes to wear. He used to wear skin of animals, and the barks of leaves. Look at this picture. देख रहे हैं आप लोग, इनकी बॉडी पे क्या है? क्लोथ्स नहीं है, लाइक कॉटन क्लोथ्स और एनी विंटर और समर. They did not know about the clothes. Okay, so they covered their body with the skin of animals or the leaves of the trees. He had another difficulties. He did not know how to grow food. That's why early man ate the fruits, wild fruits, roots of the plants. They don't know what is farming. जैसे कि अभी हम लोग जानते हैं फार्मिंग क्या होती है. द फार्मर ग्रो डिफरेंट काइंड्स ऑफ फूड्स, fruits, vegetables and food for us. We have a lots of food items like pulses, vegetables, another type of crops like millets, bajra, wheat, flour, anything. So early man did not know what is farming. That's why he ate only the fruits, roots of the plants. Sometimes the early man killed the wild animals and eat their flesh. But it was not easy to dig roots and kill animals with bare hands. So early man used stones with sharp edge. अर्ली मैन के पास जो था कोई भी वेपन्स नहीं था, इसीलिए अर्ली मैन यूज करते थे स्टोन. सो ही मेड टूल्स ऑफ स्टोन्स एंड वुडन स्टिक्स. ओके, द अर्ली मैन यूज्ड टूल्स ऑफ स्टोन्स एंड वुडन स्टिक्स टू हंट द एनिमल्स. Later, he learned to tie sharp stones to a wooden stick. Now he could kill an animal without going near it. These stone tools brought a big change in the life of early man. Look at this picture. This is a weapon. It's known as spear. Okay. तो कभी कभी अर्ली मैन जो थे वो दूर से ही इस स्पेयर की हेल्प से वाइल्ड एनिमल्स को मारते थे. ओके, एंड most of the time they use sharp stones. These are the sharp stones tools of early man. Look at this picture. Tools of early man. Sharp stones थे जिसकी हेल्प से वो वाइल्ड एनिमल्स को जो है मारते थे और उसको खाते थे. So the life of early man was very difficult. Early man had to face so many difficulties. He made tools of stones and wooden sticks. He learned to make fire by rubbing two stones together. So children, early man lived in the caves and on the trees. He did not have any weapons to protect himself. That's why they used only sharp wooden sticks or the sharp stones for hunting and animals. He had no clothes to wear. That's why they used the skin of animals and the leaves of trees. So children, after watching the video, you will read the topic life of early man once again. Rest of the topic I will explain tomorrow. Okay, thank you.